JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest price anywhere online. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazzTime.com once in a while. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 116234 white gold fluted bezel, silver diamond dial with the oyster bracelet. Just going to go through the case, the bezel, dial, movement, and bracelet, try it on, and then tell you a few thoughts about it. So diving right in, this is a 36mm case from my thumb to my index finger. Now, as of 2020, the watch is already discontinued. It's been replaced by the 126200, which uses thinner lugs. Lugs are what connects the bracelet to the head of the watch. That's where my thumb is pointing. On the newer ones, they have a thinner profile, a thinner lug. It's not much thinner, but it is thinner. Some people like a thicker lug, some people like the thinner lug. But this one is the older style 116234, and it's already been discontinued. Now let's move on to the dial. The dial is a silver diamond dial. Now if you want this silver diamond dial configuration, you actually have to go with this reference number 116234, because in the newer 126234, they replaced the silver diamond dial with a pave, Roman pave diamond dial. So they actually don't have this 10 dial configuration anymore. I believe they only have it as of 2020 in 3 configurations: black, blue, and something else. You gotta check their website. But they don't have this silver one. So if you want this silver 10 diamond, you gotta go with the older one. Now with the fluted bezel, let's move on. It's 18 karat fluted. You see how it's kind of like serrated or edged, or like that. It's 18 karat gold. Oh, I think I forgot to mention the hands here, the hour marker and the second marker, second hand or minute hand, and the second hand are made of white gold, and so are the 18 karat white gold surrounds of the diamond hour markers. Moving on to the bracelet, it's using an oyster bracelet, which is 3 links across and brushed on the outside, polished in the center, with the oyster folding safety clasp, and that clasp just simply closes like this. It's one touch oyster folding clasp. Okay, and the movement uses a 3135. It's been used for like the last 20 years. It's been replaced by a 3235, but it's still accurate to 7 seconds a day, and it has like I think around a 48-hour power reserve. So I've just pulled out the date wheel, by the way, to show you what some of these have roulette wheels. I think they make them only on certain colors. They don't make it on this color. So Rolex decides like what color combination could suit a roulette dial wheel. This one doesn't do that. But yeah, this one's all black. Okay, I'm going to try it on. Hopefully you like this video, or more like hopefully you like this watch. If you do like this watch, you should come to JazzTime.com and buy it, because we have the lowest price anywhere online, and we have excellent service. We make these videos so that you would actually buy it from us, not watch this video and buy it from someone else. So give us a chance, give us a call, check out our website. If you like the video, press subscribe in the link below. Thanks for watching JazzTime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page, where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in jazz time, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.